Situated on a premium-sized corner lot within Toronto's sought-after Highland Creek community, welcome to 47 Deep Dene Drive. Surrounded by mature trees and hedges, this beautifully maintained 3-bedroom bungalow features an attached garage with driveway parking for up to 4 vehicles, as well as front and backyard patio areas where you can relax and enjoy the seasonal beauty of landscape perennial gardens. The warmth of wood is immediately felt upon entry and featured with the foyer closet doors, the French door to the bedroom hallway, accent trims, and gleaming hardwood floors throughout most of the home. A wood-burning brick fireplace in the living room adds cozy warmth, and crown molding also gives this space an elegant finishing touch. The principal rooms have a wonderful open-theme design, while large windows with east and west-facing exposures flood them with natural light. The dining room overlooks a backyard with an interlocking patio that is a relaxing haven for casual summertime entertaining, barbecuing, and al fresco dining. The kitchen is a bright, open work area with lots of counter workspace, including a servery area with a mirrored backsplash, and also features abundant cabinetry storage, as well as dishwasher, fridge, oven with smooth cooktop, and over-the-range microwave. The personal family spaces include a 4-piece washroom with a wood pocket door, tiled floor, and a bath area with sliding glass shower doors, as well as 3 naturally bright bedrooms, all with wood doors, large windows, and cozy broadloom for warmth and comfort. Walking distance to Bramber Woods Park, public transit, places of worship, and a shopping plaza, this home is close to public, Catholic, and private schools, as well as being just a short drive to University of Toronto and Centennial College campuses, the Pan Am Sports Centre, and access to Highway 401.